Tell me what was up. Tell me what it is. I give you the left this time. I was being polite with the right, being left. Tell me one more time. Say it one more time. Say it one more time. Relax. Good. What's he? What the heck's that? What's your piece I had 10,000 slaves in my house. I'm a slave owner. I'm on slaves. Fuck you. Fuck the world. Fuck the world. You'll go your own way, man. Yeah. Fuck off, man. Exactly. You want it that way? Yeah. All right, man. Later. I appreciate that. Appreciate that one, motherfucker. It's cool. Better next time. It's cool, bro. Don't worry.
This is Bound F local train. The next stop is Broadway, Lafayette Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.